Hello everyone, I am going to show you how you can send bulk messages using reports with our application Lead Manager Ninja. For this, search for any report, or you can create a new one as well by clicking on the new report. Here we are using this old report which has around 19 members. In case you want to apply some filters or edit this report, click on Edit. It will redirect you to the next page. Remember to add the lead ID column into the columns while creating the report. This is mandatory for sending messages from a report. Next, click on Filters and apply any custom filter you want. You can also remove previous filters that were already added. We are not using a filter with last name equals Selma. Clicking on Apply will apply the filter, and clicking on Run will show you the records that will be filtered out on this report. Once verified, click on Save to save this report. Now, go on to report the bulk address feature of our application. Here you can search for the report that you just created or modified. Now, select the lead ID column that we just added. In case your business has multiple phone numbers associated, you can choose a particular number that you want to use to send the messages. Once done, you can type a new message that you want the customers to receive. Also, you can use or create a template as well. To use a predefined template, click on Insert Template and insert a new template. Now, clicking on Send will send the messages to all the members of the report instantly.